In this video, we'll explore how office decorations can create atmosphere, highlight creativity, and bring coworkers together. From subtle touches to bold transformations, decorating is all about shaping a festive environment that everyone can enjoy. The first impact of decoration is atmosphere. It changes how people feel the moment they walk in. A well-decorated space sets the tone, making the office feel playful, spirited, and far from ordinary. Even simple details can make a difference. Decorations bring color, texture, and energy that shift the environment from everyday to seasonal celebration. What's your favorite kind of Halloween office setup? Subtle or bold? Let us know in the comments below. Halloween decor is also a way to express creativity. Offices can explore playful designs, imaginative displays, or even artistic themes. It's not about perfection, but about capturing the spirit of the season in your own way. This kind of creativity can inspire people, making the workplace feel more dynamic and enjoyable. It's a reminder that design and decoration are forms of expression. Beyond how things look, decorations bring people together. A shared project or a festive space encourages conversation, teamwork, and laughter. It creates a sense of connection that goes beyond the decorations themselves. Decorating becomes less about objects and more about the memories and experiences that come with it. Halloween decorations are also about expression. Every office has its own culture, and the way a space is decorated reflects that personality. Some may prefer something lighthearted and fun, while others lean into mystery and mood. Both approaches work because they showcase individuality within a shared environment. When people feel free to bring their own style into the workplace, decorations become more than seasonal. They become a reflection of identity and belonging.
If these office Halloween decor ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with your coworkers or friends who love festive fun.
For more creative decorating ideas for every space, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more inspiration. At the end of the day, Halloween office decorations are about more than just style. They're about creating atmosphere, sparking creativity, and building connection. With just a little effort, the workplace can feel transformed into something festive and memorable.